We are Case and Mitered, and together we're restoring this Ford Mustang. We're doing a full restoration to bring this Mustang completely back to life. Every week we try to upload a video showing the progress on our project. Sometimes there's a lot to show, and other times we spend hours on things that aren't immediately visible. This week, we removed rust from the front section of the rocker panel. As you can see, I first cut out the rusted area generously to make sure all the corrosion is gone. I try to make the cut as straight as possible so it's easier to fill in the gap. I cut along existing edges when I can. That makes it easier to recreate the original shape after welding. Before installing the new metal, I treated the inside of the rocker panel with paint. I'm using a donor piece from a new rocker panel. It's easier to cut out and weld in a section than replace the whole thing. I test fit the patch several times to get it to line up as perfectly as possible. Once it fits, I weld it in place. I make sure there are no gaps and that the metal is fully welded all the way around. Then I grind the weld smooth and check everything is fully sealed. When it's flat and clean, I apply a layer of primer to protect the metal. Later on, I'll finish the rocker panel as neatly as possible to get it ready for paint. That's it for this week. Don't forget to buy us a coffee, like and subscribe. That helps us grow this channel and keep making even better content.